Cloves, a natural toothache treatment. Cloves are more than just a flavoring. They have a variety of healthy and healing properties, the most well-known of which is their anesthetic effect on toothache. Ingredients that are active. Cloves, also known as Syzgium aromaticum, are dried flower buds of the clove tree. They contain a high concentration of phenolic compounds, which are antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and anticoagulant. Cloves' antioxidants, in particular, can protect our cell membranes. They also contain eugenol, which has antiseptic, germicidal properties, among other things. The healing effect promotes intestinal activity and aids in the fight against intestinal parasites. It also aids in the treatment of flatulence, constipation, and nausea. Enhances oral hygiene. Toothache and gingivitis relief. Reduces the amount of free radicals in our bodies. Aids in skin problems. Has antibacterial properties. Aids in the treatment of sore throats and tonsillitis. Leads to improved digestion. Back and muscle pain is relieved. Has sedative and analgesic properties. Adverse effects in household quantities, no side effects are expected. When consuming large amounts of cloves or clove oil, however, exercise caution. This can result in severe poisoning. It is also not recommended if you are allergic to cloves, eugenol, or Peru balsam, or if you are pregnant. Dosage. Toothache. Place a clove between the gum and the lip or cheek next to the aching tooth and allow it to work. Apply 1 to 2 drops of clove oil to the affected area using absorbent cotton or a cotton swab, lightly moisten. Skin issues. Apply a few drops to the affected area. Apply only diluted to wounds or inflamed mucous membranes. Avoid all contact with the eyes at all costs. What should you look for in a product's quality? To ensure that there are no harmful substances, the cloves or clove oil should come from organic farming. Clove oil should not have been combined with other ingredients like lavender or lemon balm. These are frequently room fragrances that are not suitable for medicinal use. Reasonable cloves from organic cultivation are available, for example, from azafran, and we recommend Nascent's clove oil. You can get both of them here. We emphasize once more that cloves and clove oil are toxic if consumed in large quantities. As a result, make sure to follow the dosage instructions. In the description, we linked products that will help you. We hope you will give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. We look forward to see you in the next video.